Job hunting is a messy process. Landing a single job sometimes means sending upwards of 60 applications. That's a lot of job posts, dates, and interviews to keep track of. The last thing you need is missing an opportunity because you're scrambling to find the right job postings and resume when a recruiter unexpectedly calls for a screening interview. Speaking from personal experience. Hi, Kickresume here. We've already helped more than 8 million people around the world get hired, and today we'll show you how to bring some order to the chaos of job hunting with our very own and very free job application tracker, so you won't suffer like we did. Okay, so let's actually look at it. You can find the link to the tracker in the description below. When you click on it, you'll see this. You click on this big red button here. Now before accessing the tracker, you'll need to sign up. I promise, it really is for free, and you don't have to give us your bank info, credit card, or anything like that. There's no hidden paywall. So once you sign in, this is what the tracker looks like. As you can see, it's empty at the moment. If you want to add jobs to the list, just click on Add Job. This is going to take you to our Job Finder tool, where you can find job postings from around the world. You can filter the job ads by country, job type, seniority level, workplace, salary, or whether they offer a sponsorship visa. I'll save a few that I like into the job tracker by clicking on the heart on the right-hand side. Now back to the tracker. Now that all your job postings are on the list, you can organize them by their status. You can choose from applied when you've sent the application but haven't heard back yet, interviewing for when you've already been invited for actual conversations, and then there's offer, accepted, and closed in case the opportunity goes nowhere. This will also help you to filter through applications by status, which again is pretty handy when you're trying to juggle multiple applications all at once. For each job ad you saved, you can click open to see the whole posting. You can also see that there's an option to apply directly here, which takes you directly to an application form. And on your right-hand side, you'll see further options like tailor your resume, practice job interview, and write a cover letter. All of these take you to different Kickresume tools. Now you can use the job tracker for free, but resume tailoring to a specific job ad or creation of a personalized cover letter are reserved for our premium users. And by the way, if you're a student, a fresh grad with a valid ISIC card, or a teacher, you can get access to all our premium tools for free for 6 months, including our tailoring tools. So if this applies to you, go check it out. And that's pretty much it. Easy to use, and it can save you so many headaches. And don't worry, the tracker is really for free. We won't suddenly put it behind a paywall with all your job postings saved. So good luck with your job search, and we'll see you next time.